Hi Rover peeps, Steve here. I'm back and I'm putting clips on the headlining. I've done a bit of sewing. Some of it's more successful than others. I have experimented with how I've been doing the sewing. It's not very good. Anyway, I'm getting to a satisfying bit where I'm actually putting clips on and you know, sort of folding over things. I'll be able to get the trim on there and do as good a job as I possibly can, I suppose. I bought one of these stationary things, like a no staple thing. Just loading them up. Watch me, bloody son, annoying as he is, found it, decided to start playing with it. He's a strange teenager. Anyway, I've got some clips and hopefully I'm going to get this up and then I'll try and get the trim on and then trim the rest off. Well, I've got them in now, so that's quite good. I think I can't get them in at the back, but how can I do that then? What's the next question? I need to get clipped onto here, like so. But how do you fit the trim on it anyway? Maybe the sunroof has to be closed or across or something like that. But I guess in order to get the sunroof closed, I'm gonna have to trim the excess off for the time being. So I should do that now. Right, when it came to trimming these things, or the excess here, because you couldn't have it tucked in, because it would just come straight out again when the sunroof opens. So when these came off, they just hang there, which is quite nice. So I was using those as a guide. The idea being that I should have just enough now to then push that up and then tuck in the excess. I mean, that was a good test, that one there. And actually just hide the excess in place. So actually it's looking quite a bit better, really. It's a shame that I cut in too far into the sides there. That's a bit, well, that was not so good. That was better. I tried something different there where I sewed it up and then glued some felt in behind it, but it's not so good. That was my first go. It's a bit of a shame that I crapped that one out, but don't mind. Anyway, right, so I'm going to take these off and then push them in and then see if the sunroof opens and closes. That'd be quite nice. Okay, so final step then is I'm getting my mallet and I'm popping on the trim. I mean, aside from that there, that's not looking too bad. I'm relatively happy with that. I can see a little indentation there, but I'm okay with that. I guess I might be driving around having headlining hit my head. Let's carry on. Okay, so there we go. It's not. I know where the imperfections are. It's you know, it's a headlining. It's in. It joins, which you didn't initially. I had to take it off and try again. But you know, as a process, as a technique, it worked. The clips will certainly hold this in place. I'm going to leave it for a while. You can see the excess on the other side of the trim. So I'm going to leave it for a little while and then I'm going to make sure everything's okay. And it's interesting. Feel on the camera you can see a change in colour in the material. Actually with the light on. You think that is damp? But no. But what would the... Oh, it's just another day to look into that. Anyway, yeah, so that's good. And look, I've got grab handles, which the car never had before, and I made brackets, if you remember in the videos from way back when. So I'm all right with that. I'm happy. So there we go. That's quite a good day and quite a good way to spend your Boxing Day.